Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are starting our very first video on YouTube channel. If you have ever wondered what is SAP or why is it so important, then you are in the right. What is SAP? Let's begin with the basics. SAP stands for Systems, Applications and Products in Data Processing. It is a leading enterprise software used by companies to manage their business operations efficiently. Think of SAP as the backbone of a company, connecting different departments like finance, human resources, sales, and supply chain all in one system. This way, instead of every team working separately, everything is integrated and stored in a centralized place. Now, why is SAP so important? Because it helps businesses streamline processes, provides real-time data for decision making, and even helps reduce operational cost. In short, SAP makes organization more efficient, productive, and globally connected. So, who actually uses SAP? Well, it's not a just big corporation. Even small and medium businesses are adopting it. Industries like manufacturing, banking, retail, supply chain, and healthcare rely on SAP every day. And it's not just companies, professionals like manager, accountants, HR, and IT specialists also use SAP as part of their daily work. So that was a quick introduction to SAP. In the coming video, we will go step by step and learn SAP in detail. If you want to master SAP, make sure to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like and share this video if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.